दिस इज श्रीधर कडारी, सीनियर जर्नलिस्ट, मैनेजिंग एडिटर, वी मीडिया न्यूज। अब हम मिल रहे हैं DK जैन साहब, उद्योग रत्न, प्रेसिडेंट ऑफ नाचारम इंडस्ट्रियल एसोसिएशन प्रेसिडेंट को मिल रहे हैं। नाचारम इंडस्ट्री एसोसिएशन का प्रेसिडेंट बन के ये पूरा इंडस्ट्रियल एरिया बहुत अच्छा डेवलप करे। पूछेंगे।
मेरा नाम दिनेश कुमार जैन, मैं नाचाराम इंडस्ट्रीज एसोसिएशन का प्रेसिडेंट हूँ। 2016 से 2000 अभी तक कंटिन्यू कर रहा हूँ। उससे पहले 2005 से लेकर 2007 तक प्रेसिडेंट था। आई वॉज बॉर्न इन आगरा। माई फादर वॉज लेट RS जैन इंजीनियर. He was a retired chief engineer of UP Electricity Board. In 1947-48, he started his own industry in Agra for manufacturing diesel engines. It was first time he started manufacturing diesel engines in India. My mother's name was Shrimati Poonam Jain. She was a housewife. Biggest advice given by my parents was to have a good education, be honest, be sincere in your life. Sincere and hard work. Wherever you go, you have to work sincerely and you have to do hard work. I did my senior Cambridge from St. Peter's College, Agra, which is affiliated to Cambridge University. After that, I joined St. John's College, from where I did my intermediate. After that, I did my mechanical engineering from Dialbagh, Agra. After that, I was selected in a Sri Ram group manufacturing ceiling fans and table fans. In fact, it is Usha company. I started my career with them and worked for about 4 or 5 years as a trainee engineer, and then I left the company. I joined United Auto Tractors Limited, manufacturing tractors of 45 and 65 horsepower with Romanian collaboration. I worked there for about 5 years. And after resigning from there, I started my own industry. My first venture was in Hyderabad, Nacharam Industrial Estate. I got a 3,000 square yards plot, which I constructed with my own earning, and we used to do precision machining. Very first company was Centrifugal and Die Casting Engineers Private Limited. Started my career with just 50,000 rupees, and that amount was also my provident fund amount. I have not taken any money from anywhere. Even whatever I earned during my service period, I invested in the industry. And then gradually we ventured into lot of manufacturing activities like castings, ferrous and non-ferrous, precision machining. And thereafter, in 81-82, we started manufacturing drilling rigs for water well and mining, and as well as oil exploration. Jensen Pneumatics Private Limited. We started manufacturing drilling rigs. At that time, we used to have a lot of clients from all over India. Conceived by the people was very good. They used to buy lorries from Ashok Leyland. We used to mount compressor and complete rig, which was used for water well drilling. At that time, 100 psi was the minimum maximum pressure used for pneumatic rigs. Thereafter, we started manufacturing pneumatic motors, both rotation and winch motors. And then we excelled. Right from 81 to 96, we were into this field, wherein we have started one more industry by the name of Jensen Engineers, in which the same company we used to do lot of precision castings, precision die castings, precision machining, and involving all sort of manufacturing processes. We were employing about more than 250 people, and we were working all the 3 shifts. We were full of orders, and then we have created a name in the industry. After 1987, I received Udyog Ratna Award from President of India, Gyani Zail Singh. And thereafter, I received 6 national awards from various state governments and other bodies. That was for indigenous market. And then we have developed one more company by the name of Jensen Exports. We used to do a lot of exports to US and Canada. My wife, she is Shrimati Urmila Jain. She is a master's in political science. She is a housewife. I have 4 children. All 4 children have done their bachelor in engineering from Madras University, and thereafter they all 4 children have done their masters from US. Now they are very well settled. 2 sons and 1 daughter, they are settled in US, working for big companies. And one of my son, he is senior vice president working in London for Virtusa. My eldest son is Ashish Jain. Second son is Manish Jain. Third son is Tarun Kumar Jain. And my daughter's name is Divya Jain. I have never thought on that I will succeed up to this level. With my hard labor, my sincerity towards work, definitely given me a boost in my career. And my biggest success is I have all my 4 children. They are very well settled. They are highly qualified. They have done their masters from US, and they are excelling very well in their fields. Now my tendency is towards serving the industrial fraternity by serving as association president, and then I have served for 2 terms in TSIC ILA, Nacharam. In complete Andhra Pradesh, I got the first prize as chairman for one of the best industrial estates in Andhra Pradesh. Secondly, I received again first prize Telangana ILA Nacharam. Definitely, I have to give credit to all, right from my parents. They are brought up in such a way that our tendency is to grow in all aspects, whether it is industry, whether it is personal, whether it is family, whether it is society. Now, at least after being successful for so many years, I am devoting most of my time for the industrial fraternity.